Hello everyone. Today we are going to go back to the insert statement and see how this can be used to insert data from one table into another. So we're going to use the same tables as the previous demos, and we're going to use our customer updates table to insert data into our customers table. So you can see here these two selects that our customers table is currently empty and that we have 4 records in the updates table to insert. So this statement here is saying insert into our customers table these fields and select these fields from the updates table. Now you can choose which columns you want to insert. You don't have to insert all of them. Like if I remove phone number, then that's fine, but I do have to remove it from both of them, else you'll get an error there. You have to have the same number of fields in the insert line as you do in the select line. So if I just remove this from here just to show you that you don't have to insert all of the columns, and if I run this now, we can see here that we will now have 4 records into our customers table, and that's populated them there from the update table. So it's worth noting here that I did not specify the ID column to insert. This is because this is just an example and it doesn't matter right now whether the customers end up with the same ID or not. If this does matter, then you either need to not use an identity column or set your identity insert on before you do the insert, and then insert the ID field as well. I will probably do a tutorial on that at a later date. So yeah, that's really useful. Another option that we have with insert, which is also really useful when you just need to quickly make a table with the data in it that you're using, is that we can use select into. So if I just show you from here, I'll just nick this, and what this will do is it will create a table with the same format as the table that we're inserting from. So if I just say table test, so select star into table test from the demo customers update, and like I said, what this is going to do is it's going to create table test with the same fields as customers update has. So if I just run this, we've got 4 rows, and if I go looking in here, table test, we can see here that we've got the same fields here. We've got varchar 15, varchar 50, varchar 50, and phone number varchar 11. And then if I select from here, we can see there that the data has been populated into there. I do usually do this with temp tables rather than static ones, but it does work for both. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to add any comments below. It'd be interesting to see how you guys use this, if it was useful for you or not. So the next tutorial in this series will be how to create a database. So thank you for watching.